Assalamu alaikum, guys. Assalamu alaikum, guys. It's a beautiful day today, just how I like it. And today, the plan is to go try a different place, a better place that I've been planning on going, but never happened. But inshallah, make it happen today. So let's see what happens. So I just came to Walmart to get some groceries. Need some fruit and some veggies. And I am so sleepy for some reason. I'm about to knock out in my car right now, but I'm trying not to. Well, anyways, let's go get the groceries, I'm guessing. Alright guys, so just an update for you guys on what I have done so far with my Q50 and what I'm planning on doing. As for what I did already, you guys know BC racing coilovers, got the rims and the tires before that, of course, like you saw in the last couple of videos. So I have the rims and it's lowered. I have blow-off valve from Z1 Motorsports. The brand is also already installed the oil catch can from Z1 Motorsports. Dual intakes, and again from Z1 Motorsports. So pretty much everything is from Z1 Motorsports. Even though they're a little expensive, they have like the best quality. As far as I figured, or as far as I know, and what I see. I also got the serpentine belt switched, and that was from, of course, Z1 Motorsports, because when I pressed on the gas, I heard that noise that everyone hates and that common issue with the Q50s. So got that switch, and now when I press the gas, it's nice and smooth, which I love. So I don't really have anything else planned. I mean, it's like as I go on, I try to switch something, but well, I guess I do. So side skirts are the next thing, and also the chrome window liners. I hate the chrome. I just hate the chrome on these cars. It just looks so ugly. I just hate chrome on any car. It's just so ugly. But the chrome's gonna go away. I'm gonna turn it black, maybe, and side skirts, and then maybe mess with the engine is gonna be the next thing. And when I mean mess with the engine, I meaning put some more horsepower in there. Yep, I can really clean under the hood because it's really messy. I mean, everything inside is just dusty and it needs some cleaning. So I'm gonna make sure I do that as well, because I want it to look nice and smooth and clean and shiny. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Alright guys, so an update for the place that we went to called the bar, and I was expecting a little too much, I guess. So when we got there, it was really in the ghetto. There were homeless people outside and they were just cursing and everything. So like my first reaction was, this place is really unsafe, but I didn't really care at that time because I was like, as long as the food is good, I'm gonna just go in, do my thing, and then just leave. So I don't really care. Well, we went inside and of course sat down. There was a lot of music in there, which is okay because they can do whatever they want. As for the customers, keep them entertained. That was okay, but as soon as the food came, the food had no taste. Compared to even Kebab Corner that I did a video about, and I said that that place wasn't that good. Compared to Kebab Corner was way better than this place. Their bar is, the food is just, there's no taste in food. Didn't really appreciate that. So we ordered so much food, the food came, we tasted it, and I lost my appetite because it wasn't what I was expecting. There was no taste. So we just got up, didn't say anything, and the person there, the employee, they asked us about the food, and I was like, it's all right. Well, I just paid them however much it was, and we left. But of course we had to eat because we were still hungry. So we decided on going to Spice of Life. Been there many times and we know their food is really good. Well, we went there and owner Abid, he was there and welcomed us in, and we got our food. Food was really good, of course. As I said, it's always really good. But the fact that when it was time to leave and pay the bill, so Abid didn't want to take my money. He said it's okay. And it surprised me because it's a business that he's running, and I really appreciate him doing this for me. I was in a really bad mood and he didn't know this, but still he went ahead and he said that he's not going to take any money from me, and I really appreciate that, bro. So if you're watching this, thank you so much. May Allah bless you. You are really kind, you have a big heart, and you made up my night because I was just so frustrated from the other restaurant. But when I came over here, you changed everything. You changed my mood. The food was good, of course, like every time, and you were so nice and kind, and I really appreciate you. May Allah bless you, bro.